Okay, so I'm having trouble, okay? I'm having like a lot of trouble right now. Wait, I'm tweaking. Wait, what? I don't need anything right now. I'm in Animal Company, right? And I want to get a new animal because I am sure this gorilla is OG, right? But like, I'm getting kind of sick and tired of it. I'm getting bored of it. I don't want it anymore. Right. I don't know if you can actually see my character there. I was trying on different animals. So this is my current one, right? I'm thinking either this one. I'm gonna get rid of the face accessory. So there's this one, right? Or this one. I really like this one. This one's really cool. I want to get this one. This one, I'm not sure if I don't think I want that one. The kitten. I like the kitten as well. The kitten's pretty W. The pug, I don't think I want this one. I mean, there's the honeybee, but like, let's be real. Like, that's no. Or the chameleon. I don't think I'll get the chameleon though. It looks weird. So I think we'll put it between the German Shepherd, okay, the frog, the kitten, and the pug. Okay. I think we'll put it between those, like, what is it, like 3 or 4? Oh, it's backwards. I think we'll put it between those, like 3 or 4. But I don't think I want to do any of those other ones, but they're so expensive. And I was so close to getting Cthulhu off the battle pass, and then it unfortunately it ended. That's sad. But you know what we're gonna do now? Hey, all my stuff is still here. That's cool. Where'd my grappler go? My grappler disappeared, guys. I guess what's this? No. What does this do? Does it pop? Oh, look at that. Oh, it popped up there. Wait, well, I haven't even got a chance to check out the new update. Okay. Let's, I'm just gonna fly my right there, honestly. Oh. Okay, guys. Oh, I can just put it in first person. Cool. Okay, we're gonna try and do this because last time it didn't work out. I'm not doing this in a private. This is so scary. If you want a tutorial on how to do that, I'll give you one later. Like, for real, guys. I'm not about to just give it to you for free. You gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Okay.
I got your monkey spawns too long.
Only yes spawn for a limited time.
I got your mom's slipper. I got your mom's slipper.
Uh-oh.
And I got your mom.
That is a crazy statement. Are you fishing? What's up, bro?
I want to see you try and catch me.
What's up? You're gonna be in a video. Say hi.
Hi, hi, sir. I'm fishing.
He's fishing. I have an idea. Oh, it just him flying.
Someone someone give me a fly thing if you guys aren't doing it anymore? Like, I want something to fly with.
I got a fart. Ow. Right into the hole. Nope.
Wait.
Ow. Are we gonna get lucky with anything cool? I don't know if that worm thing spawns in here. And I'm pretty worried that it might. And then it's gonna go, ow, and try and bite my face off. What the hell is that? That is called a chicken. That's stupid chicken. You can't even get over here.
Wesley Crunch.
Did I go the right way, or am I just bugging?
Look what I can do.
And look what I can do. Immediately dies. If I had a landmine.
Look what I can do.
What the? Oh, well, forget about that. I'm gonna go this way. What the fuck was... Yeah, see, that's the stupid little worm thing I was talking about. Watch this. Yo, I messed up so bad. Like, I genuinely choked that. Oh, yeah, now for the best part.
Yes. 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 Yes.
All the way, all the way, all the way. No way. I've never got it that perfect before. That was awesome. Whoa, I've never seen this before. Hard hats, it's like an office room. Well, my game updated, so now's the moment of truth. Did they fix the stupid bug? Why should they?
I'm having a good time, having a good time.
It's only their update that was so hyped up, you know?
We're in the code of
Why should they fix
5R.
it?
I don't know why, I'm just told to tell people to join the code.
I bet you they're not.
Hey, by the way,
not. Like, I bet you when I come in here,
Hey, by the way, if you want to
work.
find real mods, if you
Giant A. What the hell are you? Can I break you? Or kill you? What do you give, huh? Don't do serious damage, so like, what do you... Pretty useless, honestly. What? Okay, you have a box. That gives a hover thing. Okay, that's not... What?
join me in Code War,
That's terrifying.
join me in...
I mean, it broke, so they must have fixed it, right? Hold on, I'm terrified. I've never done this by myself. Yeah,
Sweet.
bugging.
I want to trade for a little monster. Oh, and also, don't make it seem like it's that expensive. Like you need to trade $1 for
Yeah.
one monster.
Dude, go away. You're useless. You do nothing, almost. I'm tweaking. Where do I go? I'm lost. Yeah, there ain't
What?
No.
Okay.
Bro, you is not a goddamn freaking.
I've never got
You
one of
is
these,
not
by the
the-
way. It's always
That's
broken.
a freaking bus PC.
Okay, so they fixed this,
You is not Form 7.
but
Bus.
destroyed this. Essentially. Yeah, so this is still pretty buggy. I guess you put it into something over here, and then you get something cool. Like plushies or something. I've never got them.
Guys, I will trade
'Cause it was
for a
what
little
was broken.
monster.
that's the
inventory.
Hey, do you want this? Hey, do you want this? Hey, bud. Bud, do you want this? Hey, bud. Okay, you're not getting this then.
bro.
You little fart.
No, you're not. Oh my god, my voice glitched so hard.
Do you want this? Here you go. You can have it.
No!
Be quiet.
Bro, do you have any little monsters for me to trade?
No, because the thing is broken, so I can't do anything. Hi, Cthulhu. You stink.
Hello?
Yo, guys.
Yes, boring was pretty underwhelming. It's buns. It's. Must I say more? So that was not worth it at all. I'm gonna go back to public. I hate being in front of it. Let's go mining. We should go mining in a public lobby though, because I'm terrified of like every place in this game. Because of I don't think I even need to say it. It's terrifying. Oh, thank God it's been recording. That scared me. Must die. I have the intention of posting this, so if you are seeing and watching this video, consider yourself. Hello? What the hell? Consider yourself lucky, because I post maybe 1% of the videos I actually record. So if you're seeing this,
I'm a restaurant.
I don't want giveaways. I don't do giveaways.
I'm a restaurant for Bepic. You want a restaurant for Bepic? My gosh.
Leave me alone.
Backpacks for
Otherwise,
sale.
I'll hit.
Backpacks for sale. Special backpacks too. Backpacks for. Yo guys, will anybody trade the monster for
What
a thing
do
in
you
my
have?
inventory as long as it is 2 prices? One backpack, we got backpack. We got special backpacks. Actually, we have edible backpacks for sale! Edible backpacks for sale! We're selling edible backpacks! Edible backpacks!
Yes, we want the company coins. It's like the only thing. And the research points. I think I can get 2 right now. I have 1, so I think I can get 1 right now. Spider-Man. I have a much easier way of doing this, although I don't need a mic anymore. I'm done with unless I mine one right there. Oh no. I have a much easier way of mining. But I need to get back home, meaning I have to come all the way down here and just punch this a few times. See how simple that was? Yeah, it's never that simple. Sometimes you have to die And then you have to go beep, boop, bop, beep, bop, and shoot some of those. You should really be able to put these grenades on your side hip, I'm not gonna lie. Oh man. What do you play VR on? My refrigerator. You gotta love the 2020. That's not even.
Oh my gosh, you scared me.
I'm tweaking.
Please watch for it.
That's like 2024, 2025 memes. That's peak Animal Company, OG Animal Company. I miss the old days. You know, back in my day, my hands were flat before we had fingers. Yep. I hate. I'm done. You know what?
On tail. Whoa,
Yep.
what is that?
Yeah.
It's a mech guy. That's a cool looking.
A mech guy?
Yeah, mech guy. A mech octopus.
Mech octopus.
You look cool.
Mm-hmm. We're just gonna pretend like we didn't hear him say that.
Ooh, hey, a lightsaber. Buy it.
This will be better, trust. Because if we get cluster grenade. Perfect.
Yo, guys, I have the ultimate farts. Who's
Buddy.
the red? Who's the red one?
Where is that volcano? Oh.
Dude, you're annoying. That's what you are. Dude, stop. I'm trying to record. I'm just gonna come over here and join a private.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
Buddy, stop.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
Holy cow, dude. It shouldn't, like, you. Okay, now I don't gotta worry about no one touching my stuff. I'm locked and loaded, baby. Keep rolling. Is it Lenin Tiger Moon? We gotta stay for Lenin Tiger. I got a better way of doing this. That's not Lenin Tiger. That's just Moon. Oh god, I'm sorry. Wait. I can't. Oh, it's over there. Alright. That's normal. Can I touch the roof? I touched the roof. Let's go. That's double. Yeah, that's just a normal move. That ain't any time. That ain't even sky. Okay. What the f is that? I am tweaking. I'm terrified right now. I hope all of you know that. So that 5 people watching this. Okay, we're just gonna. That's a W on my part. Oh. Nope. Nope. Guy. Buddy. Are you okay? No, 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 no. I don't need you anyway. Now we go to where all the good stuff's at. Disintegrate. You gotta trust me, okay? This is W. I'm not gonna die if I shoot it from there. Yo, I'm cooking. I'm not even doing nothing. I need research points though. Hear me out. I have zero way of getting back now. Unless I get lucky. And that grenade fell down to here and is just chilling. Otherwise, I am gonna cook. Oh yeah, bud. Frick. I guess I gotta get up the old-fashioned way. And now I just have to run. So that's gonna be it. I really hope I can download this and do all that stuff. Otherwise, oh my god, I don't even want to talk about it. Oh yeah, see, we're back before it even. What? Oh no, that's cool. It has a little ring around it. Keep on rolling. What's up? I'm back, guys. It's me. There. I'll put you on the mirror. Anyway. See me like YT. Don't do me dirty. Okay, anyway. Okay. Whoa, it has the same, like, range distance. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna turn the video off, and I hope y'all had fun watching this. Like, subscribe, comment, share, even maybe. Would it be too much? I have 8 subscribers. I don't want 8 subscribers. I want more. But I don't care if you like it. I don't care if you subscribe or like or comment. Really, the only people subscribe to are people I know, and that's honestly just sad. Anyway, have a good day or night or afternoon or evening or morning or sleeping time or whatever time it is for you. Bye bye.